Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm sorry for the delay in uploading because I had injuries and needed time to recover. I got injuries in my brachioradialis and in my lat while doing front lever and planche. But now I'm fully healed. My strength is back to about 70%. Today's perform is not stronger than last upload, but 70% is enough to get back to my YouTube. The thing that I'm thinking about considering is from now on, I will be combining calisthenics skills with my Japanese style and sharing my training in nature settings and Japanese traditional house like here. So today's video is gonna be the first one that I made. So the spring is coming after a month more, so just wait for that. So nature contents also will be coming. And today I'm training with these 5 pivers by CALISTHENIXPROSHOP. These bars are sick design for me, like black and metallic material. Usually use the lower ones because of my house ceiling is too low. But today we have plenty of space, so it's time for this. These bars are so stable and you can train with additional range of motion, so it's great to train with. So if you want to get this pair, I'll put the link in my video along with my 10% off code, Smithenix 10. Just take this style in your Kali life. And these are my favorite wrist straps from CALISTHENIXPROSHOP, Sander and Paisley design. Also find your favorite wrist straps in CALISTHENIXPROSHOP. Honestly, I'm not used to high pivots, so I think my legs are prone to be a little bit low, so I'll focus on keeping my feet up during my planche. So that's all about my talking part today. So let's get beginning today's session. Okay, so let's get started with the first set. I'm gonna do full planche combination, which is included bit volume. So let's try.
Yeah, let's get it.
遠く行くのも本当に一歩だけでいいし、
一歩だけ。
近づくのは多分。
Good evening, Connie. Good evening, Natalie. A family is grieving tonight after a gunman opened fire on 2 couples
Yeah, let's go.
in the ward, killing one of them. Now they're trying to find out why.
Welcome to my house, a heartless cold. No strike, get my dough from the bar. Punch, talk to Jersey, got a 6, but got no Jersey. Dog, small, holy bar. Don't let me wet the bitch. I'm a
Let's go.
Okay. How was the form?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, it wasn't too low. The legs position.
okay.
Yeah.
How was the hip position?
Hip position was the parallel to your head position.
Horizontal.
Yeah, horizontal.
Perfect. Very good for start to this session. So let's see the second set too.
Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Bitch, I'm
touch.
3 touch, bro, 3 touch.
나이스. 웃어. 맛이.
一発目で成功してるかもしれない。
マジでびっくりした。マジ。Nice, nice. Balance.
Shit.
Hardest part.
I hate the floor balance, bro. Are you recording?
Yes, sir.
Shit. But yeah, I did 2 push-ups, 2 press.
Yeah, at least.
Finger.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, still a great job though.
Too wide for me, too wide. I don't have the confidence of the touch position hold, like form.
The first touch hold, it was a little bit upright, but yeah, still decent.
Decent or incline, you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah, incline, decline, I don't know, but
it was still good. Yeah, great.
yeah, because long hold, right?
Yeah, long hold.
This training gives me like boost my front lever strength. Use もうこれでいいか It's enough?
Yeah.
It's enough to record?
Yeah.
I don't know I can record now.
battery is fucking low.
Yeah, almost zero.
Almost there.